Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.59 in culture, which is notably positive given a recent momentum dip of minus 0.19. This tells us that while overall sentiment is improving, it's doing so against a backdrop of declining momentum. That's a rare combination and suggests a potential shift in how people are feeling about cultural topics, possibly indicating a brewing positive trend. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into the nuances of cultural discussions. Imagine using this to tailor content strategies or adjust marketing campaigns based on real-time sentiment shifts. For more insights, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.